Welcome to Edu4u. Let me quickly show you how easy it is to get started. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard with quick guides like the user guide, FAQ, cheat sheet, and learning guide to help you get started. Click Start Learning to head to the home page. You can find this at the top of your screen. Once on your home screen, you can see that the subjects are neatly organized on the left. Everything from artificial intelligence and cybersecurity to business, marketing, design, leadership, and more. You can also find them in the pictures on the right-hand side. Each subject follows the same structure: e-learning courses, e-books, videos, and journals. Each image usually links to a collection from a provider, so one picture might open a whole library of courses or ebooks, videos, or journals, rather than just a single title. Now, when you do decide to select a course, just follow the modules, often at your own pace. After completing the final exam and scoring above the threshold needed, you'll receive a course completion email from the provider directly, something that many of our learners proudly add to their CV or LinkedIn as proof of their achievement, a micro-credential, if you will. Edu4u also includes tools like ChatGPT and Canva, and even teaches you how to use them effectively, so you can get the most out of these powerful resources. You'll also find handy productivity tools for compressing images, removing backgrounds, and transferring large files. Perfect for streamlining both work and personal projects. And under History, you can instantly return to whatever you were learning last, so nothing gets lost along the way. That's Edu4u. Simple, flexible, and built to keep you learning anytime, anywhere.